Clicks and likes don't pay the bills. Profit does. Let's fix that today. Most e-commerce brands focus on vanity metrics, celebrating clicks and likes, while their bank accounts stay empty. But the truth is, success isn't about traffic, it's about profit. First up, CTR, click-through rate. This measures how often people click after seeing your ad. Aim for 1-2% or higher. If your CTR is low, your ad creative might not be resonating and it's time for a refresh. Next, conversion rate, the percentage of clicks that turn into actual sales. This is where the money's made. Track this closely and optimize your landing pages and offers for higher conversions. Now, cost per click. CPC tells you how much you're paying per click. The goal? Keep this number low while maintaining high-quality clicks to stretch your budget further. ROAS, return on ad spend. It's the ultimate ROI indicator. Aim for at least 4x. If you're hitting that, you're in profitable territory. But if it's lower, you need to tweak your ad strategy or sales process. Customer acquisition cost is next. This is how much it costs to acquire a new customer. Compare it to their lifetime value. If your CAC exceeds LTV, it's time to refine your approach. AOV, average order value. The goal here is to increase the amount each customer spends per transaction. Use upsells, bundles, or free shipping thresholds to boost AOV and maximize your ad spend. Finally, bounce rate. This is the percentage of visitors who leave without interacting. A high bounce rate, time to rework your ad targeting or page experience. Tracking these 7 metrics will transform your ad data into actionable insights and help you stay competitive in 2025's evolving e-commerce landscape. So, what's your top priority metric for 2025? If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook ads tips. Drop a comment below. Let's talk about which metric you're tracking and why.